Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chandele. Welcome to It's Chandele's Life. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, how are you? So today's video is just gonna be like a little update. I have some wonderful news I can't wait to share with you guys, and an unboxing. So something amazing has happened. First of all, I want to just thank God. I am so thankful for him. He is the man upstairs that does everything, and nothing can get done without him. So period. So here we are. Your girl wanted to let you guys know that I got drum roll please monetized on this channel. Yay! It's Chandele's Life is finally monetized. We have hit the threshold and we are so happy. We are so thankful. Thank you for guys for watching, supporting. Like, oh my God, thank you. Scott, blah, 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 blah. I can't even talk. I am so excited because I've been doing this for 5 years. So spam down in the comments like the clapping hands, anything positive. Like, I would love to see it. So please put that in the comments. I would love to see it. I will like everybody's comment. And we are so thankful. Casey is here, but you gotta turn it down, boo. I know you're talking about a piece of cat, but you gotta turn it down. So yes, that's Pete the cat. So anyway, here we are. Do you see the little cute aesthetic back here? The little tree. If you are new, you might not know that we just purchased a house. It's finally a dream come true. Super happy, super thankful, first of all, and that I'm still in disbelief. We've been here for a month and maybe like a week. We moved here June 27th. If you have not checked out the last video, you should go check that out. So blah blah blah. Anyway, moving on. I had posted on Instagram maybe like a week ago. Sorry if you cannot hear because the AC's on and it's super hot. It's like, I think it's like 90 degrees outside. I don't even know. Let me check for y'all. But it's super hot. We just got home a while ago. It says, oh, I can't even show you this because it tells you my address. But, not my address, but like where I live at. Anyway, but it's like 90 degrees outside. So, anyway, what I was saying was that I had posted on Instagram maybe like a week ago saying that I wanted this tool set for like the house and stuff like that side, because like at this point like we're fixing things up and we're like, you know, making it look nice. We're gonna put our touch into it and stuff like that. So it's important to have like a drill set, and child, we didn't have one. We don't have one, tools or anything. So I seen this set and I thought it was super cute and I wanted it, so I put up there on Instagram, was like, can somebody buy this for me? And one of my best friends that I've known literally since like 7th grade had messaged me yesterday and was like, hey, I seen that you posted this tool set, so you know, what's the link? And you know, she brought it for us and we're so thankful for her. We love you so much and we appreciate you so much because child, we wanted one so bad. So I was literally opening it. I have the big box that it came from right here from Amazon, and I was literally getting ready to, you know, open it and check it out, but sorry, I'm sitting on the floor and I think a mosquito beat me in my butt, so forgive me. So I was about to open it, but I'm like, why would I do like an unboxing? So hold on, I feel like you guys are a little crooked, but I don't want to mess up my aesthetic over there. Okay, so make sure this don't got nothing on it. Here's the box. Thumbnail, right? So I opened it and the first box that was here, this guy, but like I said, I already started opening it, so don't judge me. You have to turn it down, please, because you're going to get us copyrighted. Because you know, now that we monetize, we don't got time to be getting copyrighted. Anyway, so in this little box, a few goodies, essential stuff, okay? It was like a set of like 175. So yeah. They got like a little paper to say what we got. Whatever. I'm just gonna have to wing it. I'm actually gonna go on Amazon and look it up so I can know exactly what the heck I'm talking about. So y'all don't be in these comments trying to judge me and like, girl, how you don't know what that is? So yeah, I'm actually gonna put the link below so that you, if you guys want to go get it and you're a girl of power trying to fix your own stuff, you can get it. All right, so it's 175 pieces. I don't really even know what half of this stuff is. Okay, but I'm gonna just link it anyway. So here is like a box cutter. Don't play with me, okay? Don't play, don't play. But here's a box cutter. It's so cute, pink and black. Casey, can you move over, please? Move over. We have this. I don't know. It's not done yet. We have this. I don't know what any tools are called. Ah! This should be so fun. So, I know this is how you like get stuff, okay? We have like I guess the base of like a screwdriver, so you can use like any of the heads. But here's the heads, the different heads. You guys can see the different heads. Here it is, so cute. And then I guess you would just take one out, right? And then you would just, oh, voila, it's in. All right, so that's that. Oops, I'll take it out. So the base of the screwdriver, and then we have all the pieces here. Oh wow, how the heck am I supposed to get this one out? Oh, it's easy. Okay. Ooh, child, boy, I don't know half of this stuff, but here it is. That's that. All the screws, I guess. I think this is spare. Oh, okay. These are spare blades for the box opener, the box cutter. So spare blades. So, and it's protected so that no one gets hurt like this one. This is, I wonder if it's gonna say the name on it, because that one says the name on it. But how do I open it? What is it? How do I take it out? Oh, hello. Okay. Child, I don't know what half of this stuff is. Okay. I don't know, but can you see? Wait, I'll turn it this way. This is a terrible unboxing. But these things, it don't say the name on it, and it don't tell me what they are on what you call it, on Amazon. That's what I got it from. But we have that. I probably should have put it the other way. We're gonna put this back before I hurt myself. Okay, I'm gonna ask my dad what those are for. We have a wrench, right? Is this what it's called? A wrench? And then you can like, yeah, I'm gonna be fixing stuff. I'm so excited. Here's a wrench. I think that's what it's called. If not, you are more than welcome in the comments to tell me what things are. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Just, you know, positively tell me what they are. Okay, thank you. And then we have like, I guess like some screws and stuff. Excuse Casey in the background. Casey. We have screws and stuff. Different ones. These are super tiny. You get the gist. I don't want nothing to fall out, but like that's what it looks like. And then this is like a leveler, right? Like so you can level things on the wall, I'm guessing, to make sure everything is leveled correctly. So that's what that is, leveler. And then we have I don't know what these are called, but it's so crazy because I just recently put up my bed and I needed one of these. I didn't need one of these, but like I had to go buy new screws from Lowe's, but my old screws that I already had that came with the bed was these is it a Philip? No, it's not a Philip. I forget what these are, but you know, these ones, okay? And they go from small to big. You get the gist. That's all. It tells you the size of them all on the like right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it tells you like the size up there. Sorry, my nails are kind of dirty. So that was all that was in this box. Then in this box we have our handy dandy pink hammer. Our pink hammer things. And we did have a hammer. We do have one, but like this one is cute because it came with the product. Okay. And then we have the little tool. This is so cute. We have the little tool bag, and it says Fast Pro on the inside. It's pretty big. So it should fit literally everything in here, all the tools that we have. I kind of don't want to put it on the floor. I don't want it to get dirty. We have a tape measure, which we do have one of these anyway. We have one from Lowe's that we got, but here's another one. So super cute. Super cute. And this one is 10 feet. And then we got our drill. Oh my god, it's so big. It's not really big. It's actually like really small. It is a drill, a cordless drill at that. Oh, it's this way. Cordless drill, reusable, soft grip, built-in LED light. Yeah, battery level indicator, accessories included. So, yeah. A little foamy. We don't need that. Get off of me. It comes with a little book, instructions. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes I read instructions. But right now, we're not going to read these. Let's see, another one of these hard thingies to get out. Oh, like the little, I guess like the different, things to put into the drill to make different types of holes. If I would put it closer, you guys can see, right? Like, hold on. Yeah. So that was in here. I love how it comes in like the little pouch so that you don't get hurt or things don't get missing. This is super cute. That's cute. They did say accessories included. So this is, I'm guessing, cordless driver. It's the battery, I'm guessing. And then the cord, I guess, to charge this. Is how I'm charging this? No, we can't charge this, but here's the cord. We got some weight to this bad boy. Okay. Ooh, look at it. Now, you know, dang on well, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know how to turn this bad boy on. This is so funny. But here it is. It's so cute. She builds. Period. She builds. She builds. Stop it. How do I turn? Ooh. It has numbers at the top. Pretty sure whoever knows how to work a drill knows how this go. So yeah, frontward, backwards, cordless drill. Okay, and I'm guessing this goes here because let's see. Okay, man, it's got some weight to it. Whoa! Hello. Lost, I'm scared. Let's go. We got this. What this one do? This is a little too much need for my speed. How do you charge it?
I can try it.
Boy, no.
I can try.
No, this is serious machine work. Okay.
I can tools. I will fix everything.
Okay, well you get your own tools, okay? But this one's pink and it's for me and Annie. Okay. Okay. Back up.
No pool.
Back up. Anyway, so yeah, that is all that was in there. I think right here it tells you like the indicator light that that you need to charge, that needs to be charged or whatever. It has an LED light here, flash warning. Sorry. Yeah, I think this, and then it has like the reverse, I'm guessing, or maybe like a lock. Oh yeah, like the reverse if you want to take something out of the wall, whatever. Which this will superly come in handy because I need to fix my doors. So yeah, I need to take my screen door. It's terrible and it needs to go. So guess what I will be doing this weekend? This, I might just film it so you guys can see. So, but right now this is all I have right here. So yeah, I'm just still trying to figure out, y'all, how do you charge it? Because this is how you take it out. So how the heck? Oh, boom, bingo. Found it. Bingo, right on the money. Okay, there's a little charging spot right there, which is made for that. That's actually super cute. So, okay, cool beans. All right. So, that is all that I have for you guys. I will leave the link below so that you guys can check it out. And what's this company called? Fast Pro. If you want to sponsor your girl, call me. How do you guys like my case? And it says Thug Life on it. So cute. I've had this case for mad long, and it gets on my nerves sometimes, but you know, we're gonna deal with it right now because I need a change. So yeah, so that is all I have for you guys for this particular video. I don't know if I'm gonna be adding more to this video. I probably won't. It's probably a separate video for anything that I do. So yeah, so I just wanted to surprise you guys with the monetization. We're so happy. We're so thankful. Thank you guys once again for following, subscribing, sharing, and liking, and just loving us and joining us. And we appreciate you so much. We can't wait to get more of you. We were on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So we can't wait. But that is all for this video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoy and that you can be as powerful like I can with a drill. And you can do it too. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. And we are out. Peace.